Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a paper sumo game. First, let's gather our supplies. You will need a few sheets of paper, preferably cardstock for extra durability, along with a pair of scissors and some glue. Don't forget your favorite markers or crayons to bring your sumo wrestlers to life with vibrant colors and unique designs. These simple items are all you need to begin crafting your very own miniature sumo tournament. Now, let's craft your sumo wrestlers. Take one sheet of paper and fold it in half. On the folded edge, draw half of a sumo wrestler, making sure to give it a wide, stable base for balance. Carefully cut along your drawn line, and when you unfold it, you will have a perfectly symmetrical fighter. Remember to leave a small, flat tab at the bottom for stability. Next, we will construct the sumo ring. Find a larger piece of paper or thin cardboard, about 10 inches by 10 inches. Draw a clear circular boundary in the center, roughly 8 to 10 inches in diameter, which will serve as your wrestling arena. You can also create a small, low stand using another piece of folded paper to elevate the ring slightly, adding to the game's excitement. Finally, it's time to play. Place 2 of your paper sumo wrestlers inside the circular ring. To start the match, gently tap the edge of the ring with your finger. The vibrations will cause your wrestlers to wobble and move. The goal is to knock your opponent out of the ring. The last wrestler remaining within the boundary is declared the champion of the round. Have fun.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.